Today I'm taking a look at the table lamp. So here we got our base, and this is probably the main reason that I wanted this lamp, is just because I wanted something that A, has a bunch of outlets on it so that I can plug in my phone and whatever else I'm going to have on that table, but also because it actually has physical buttons that I can feel. A lot of the table lamps that I've been playing around with lately, they have those capacitive touch buttons. When the lights are out, you can't see them, you can't feel them, so they're kind of hard to find. I mean, you can actually feel the buttons, so that's kind of nice. We got our display on the front. We have an option for a battery, so in the event that the power goes out, the clock will still work. Got our on-off switch on the back, and we have a plug that goes in sideways. That way you can plug this into the wall and you can still put shelving in front of it. You don't have to worry about this sticking out, so that is good. Oh, hey, check that out. It actually comes with 2 bulbs. We can see on top we got our warm white and we got our cool white. So depending on what kind of a color temperature you want, you can use whichever one you want. It's very rare that lamps come with bulbs like this anymore. We have our lamp neck, and this is actually kind of neat. So this will just plug in just like a regular old outlet. There we go. And then we got our frame. So this will drop on like that. Thread the ring on, so that'll hold it in place. Oh, just notice we actually have a switch here for turning the light on and off. So we can have everything running down here, but we can still have the light off. And then the diffuser just has these clips running around the bottom and the top. And probably best to put the seam on the back so that we don't see it. It's nice and easy. And it appears that this seam is Velcro, so all we gotta do is stick it on. And then the last piece is this top frame, and that will clip in just like the other one. Cool. Yeah, you actually don't even really see that seam very much anyway. So, cool. Cool. We are charging, so we know that that works. Nice strong ports too, so I don't have to worry about these things falling out. I always like seeing that. All right, cool. That's all good. So you got 2 buttons here for alarm. We got alarm 1 and alarm 2, so that means we can have 2 alarms set on this clock. Dimmer. So the dimmer function is for the clock, so if we want to have the light off, we still want to have the clock on, but we're trying to sleep. We don't want to have it super bright. Just hit that to dim or even completely turn it off. So we can have that clock off, and we're going to have the light on. All right, that's neat. So this is also the snooze button. So if the alarm's going off and you want to snooze, you just hit that. And then for changing the clock, press and hold. So right now it is 12. Oh, okay, yeah, cool. 43. PM. So, nice and simple, like that. Alarm 1, that is set for 12 o'clock, and we can see alarm 1 is on right now. If we just let that wait a minute, it goes back to the regular time, and we can see alarm 1 is still on. If we want alarm 2, also set for 12 o'clock. If you want to turn them both off, we just hit them again. So if we want to set alarm 1, just hold that. Let's call it 4 o'clock in the AM. Cool, so now alarm 1 is for 4 o'clock. Let's set alarm 2 for 12:45. So give it 2 minutes and we'll see what it sounds like. Cool. All right. Nice and simple. I like that. So out of curiosity, I want to know what the cool white bulb actually looks like. Nice. Yeah, I think they both have their own kind of look to them, but it's actually kind of cool. You really want to match the temperature to whatever kind of mood you're going for in your room. For something like this, like for having on a desk where you're going to be working, I think the cool white is going to be better. For having something in your bedroom, if you want it to be a little warmer, a little bit more comfortable, I think the warm white is better. But yeah, overall, it is a very neat lamp. It's just packed with features. If I don't want to have the lamp, I can literally just unplug it and I have another outlet there. 3 outlets, 4 USB charging ports, and an alarm clock. That is just a really cool lamp.